Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. If you are in class 10 and preparing for your board exam, then this video is extremely important for you. Today I am going to share must-do topic for board exam which has been prepared and recommended by a subject expert of Directorate of Education. So this is the official circular released by Directorate of Education Exam Cell New Delhi on 12th January 2026 with subject must-do topic or focus topic for 25-26 board examination. This is prepared by a subject expert at core academic unit along with teachers of DOE. Today we are going to see for social science class 10th must do topic. So let's start with history, which is India and contemporary world 2. So chapter 1, rise of nationalism in Europe. Here important topic are reason for rise of nationalism in Europe, French Revolution and nationalism and Napoleon Code of 1804. Then third one is Vienna Conference, then unification of Italy, unification of Germany, nationalism in Britain, nationalism in Greece, then Balkan crisis, and lastly picture based question on symbol and their meaning. Then second chapter is nationalism in India. Here important topics are idea of Satyagraha of Mahatma Gandhi, impact of First World War on India, comparative study of non-cooperative and civil disobedient movement, special emphasis on aim, method, participation and outcome. Then perception of Swaraj by different sections of society, role of Ambedkar, Purna Pact and depressed class association. Then how sense of collective belongingness emerged in India. Then short notes on Rowlatt Act, Jallianwala Bagh, Khilafat movement, Simon Commission, Round Table Conference, and map work also will be coming from this chapter. Chapter 3 is making of global world. First, Silk Route linked the world, food, travel, spaghetti and potato, then conquest, disease and trader. The next is print culture and modern world. So first printed book, print come to Europe, the print revolution and its impact, the reading mania, the 19th century. Then the India and the world of print, religious reform and public debate, new form of publication, print and censorship. Next one is contemporary India 2. Here resources and development. First one is type of resources, development and conservation of these resources, special focus on sustainable development. Then land resources, utilization, degradation and conservation. Then type of soil, soil erosion and soil conservation and map work. Then forest and wildlife resources. Here conservation of forest and wildlife in India, type and distribution of forest and wildlife resource, community and conservation. Then water resources, water scarcity and need for water conservation and management, multi-purpose river project and integrated water resource management, rainwater harvesting and map work. Next one is agriculture, type of farming, cropping pattern, major crop, technological and institutional reform and map work. Next, mineral and energy resources. What is mineral, mode of occurrence of mineral, classification of mineral, conservation of mineral, energy resource, conventional source and non-conventional source of energy, conservation of energy resources and map work. Next, manufacturing industry, importance of manufacturing industries, factors affecting location of industry, classification of industry, industrial pollution and environmental degradation, control of environmental degradation, map work, lifeline of national economy. From here only map work will come. Next, democratic politics 2. First chapter, power sharing, comparative study of power sharing in Belgium and Sri Lanka. Here main focus on problem and accommodation. Then form of power sharing, need and importance of power sharing. Then chapter is federalism, key feature of federalism, difference between coming together federalism and holding together federalism. Then distribution of power, language policy and linguistic state, decentralization in India, especially Panchayati Raj. Then gender, religion and caste. Gender and politics, religion, communalism and politics, caste and politics. Then political parties, meaning, function and needs of political party, type of political party, national and state, policies and symbols of national and regional political parties in India, challenges of political party, how can political party be reformed. Next, outcome of democracy, evolution of democratic form of government, political and economic outcome of democracy. Next, understanding of economic development. Here, meaning of development, different people, different goal. Key feature of national development, short notes, per capita income, infant mortality rate, literacy rate, net attendance ratio. Then human development index, sustainability of development. Next, sectors of Indian economy. Sector of economy, GDP and problem of double counting, types of employment, Manrega 2025, differentiate between public and private sector, differentiate between organized and unorganized sector. Next one, money and credit, barter system and double coincidence of demand, form of currency, modern and old, function of RBI, formal and informal source of credit, credit as an asset and debt trap, condition for credit, self-help group SHG. Then globalization and Indian economy, factor affecting globalization, foreign trades and foreign investment. Now let us see the map work. So from history, nationalism in India, Congress sessions, 1920 Calcutta, Nagpur, Madras session. Then 3 Satyagraha movement, Kheda, Champaran, Ahmedabad Mill Work, Jallianwala Bagh, Dandi March. Then from geography, resource and development, identify the major soil type. Then water resources, these are the resources, Salal, Bhangra Nangal, Tehri, Rana Pratap Sagar, Sardar Sarovar, Hirakund, Nagarjuna and Tungabhadra. Then from agriculture chapter, identify major areas of rice and wheat, major and producer state of sugarcane, tea, coffee, rubber, cotton and jute. Then mineral and energy resources, iron ore, Mayurbhanj, Durg, Baladila, Bellari, Kunzamukh. Then coal mine, Raniganj, Bokaro, Talcher, Nayali. Then oil field, Digboi, Narakata, Mumbai, Basin, Kalol, Ankleshwar. Then power plants, thermal power plant, Namrup, Singrauli, Ramakundam, nuclear, Naroda, Khakrapada, Tarapur, Kalpakam. Then manufacturing industry location and labeling, like especially cotton industries, Mumbai, Indore, Surat, Kanpur, Coimbatore. Then iron and steel plants, Durgapur, Bokaro, Jamshedpur, Bhilai, Vijayanagar, Salem. Then STP, Software Technology Park, Noida, Gandhi Nagar, Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai and Thiruvananthapuram. Next, look at national economy, like major seaport, Kandla, Mumbai, Marmagaon, New Mangalore, Kochi, Tuticorin, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Paradip, Haldia. International airport, Amritsar, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata and Hyderabad. So champions, this were must-do topic for class 10th board exam social science recommended by DOE subject expert. If you found this video helpful, like this video, hype this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more exam strategies and update.